Hey, is the TV too loud? Oh, I'm sorry if I woke you up. Yeah, neither can I, to be honest. I finished work a little too early for my own good, it seems. I can never get myself to just sleep before midnight. What about you? What's stopping you from dreaming? Work can be stressful. I get it. Mm, just some random horror movie I found. I'm not going to be picky here. I love horror movies, especially on nights like this one promises to be. Hmm, I don't know. A stormy night feels perfect for a horror movie, I guess. Although, I have to wait and see if this one lives up to my standards. Nope, never seen this movie before. Have you? Horror's not your cup of tea? I got it. It's alright. To each their own. This world would be such a bore otherwise. What do you like in that case? Really? That's cool. No, it's not that I hate it. It's just that genre doesn't really speak to me, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Last thing I need right now is to come across as a weirdo. I can put something else on if you want. It's not like I really want to watch this anyways. Whoa! Are, are you alright? No, you just jumped. Look, I don't want to be pushy. I truly don't. I hate being pressed for answers, but at the same time, I don't want to just, ignore what I just saw. Alright, fair enough. I won't push you, but please stay. For a little longer, at least. I don't feel like sitting alone right now. Will you? Thanks. Good question. Let me think about it. What do I like about horror movies? When it comes to horror, I think I like the supernatural or paranormal category. I really can't get enough of them. The well-made ones, of course. For psychological horror, it really depends on what kind of subject or issue they tackle in the story. I mean, the ones that are versed in realism, not the ones that have, the supernatural element. I don't know how to explain it, I guess. What I expect a horror movie or show to do for me is scare me, to horrify me, not to depress me. I think that's why I steer clear of the ones that focus on a real issue that plagues society. Again, it depends on which one, but yeah, that's basically it. Well, what does it look like I'm doing? Yeah, I'm holding your hand. You can always pull away if you feel uncomfortable, but if you don't, then I'll keep holding it like this. No worries. You don't have anything to apologize for. And you don't have to talk about it with me either. As I said before, I don't like to push. You got me there. Yes, that's why I asked you to stay with me. I can't read minds, but I can read the room. I'm not oblivious to what happens around me, and I saw your reaction earlier, and I made the conclusion that thunder was the reason for it. But I am really enjoying your company. I didn't lie. I don't want to stay alone. You don't have to justify your fears to me either. you know? I mean, it's thunder we're talking about, to be fair. Your fear sounds a lot more rational than mine. Numbers. Numbers. There, now you know. I have arithmophobia. I am afraid of everything that has to do with numbers. Math, arithmetic, all their acolytes. I'm not trying to compare. Alright, fine. I am comparing. I'm just saying that between the both of us, you'd have more legitimate reasons to fear thunder than I dread numbers. I'm not making fun of myself, believe me. That's not my goal with this. I just really meant it when I said that you don't have to justify your fears to anyone. No matter how irrational they sound. You do with the cards you were dealt with in this area of matters, and you do what's best for you. In the end, if you're happy, then the people around you who genuinely care for you will see it and feel it too. I spent way too long trying to gain the approval and validation from people around me in that field, until I realized it's a monumental waste of time. Precious time I could have used to focus on myself and work on my own mental health. Do you want to come closer? Tonight is pretty cold anyways. I promise I don't mind. You're not bothering me at all. Is this more comfortable? How long have we been roommates? Wow, 5 months, huh? And I think this is the longest conversation we've ever had, and a pretty deep one at that. No. I absolutely don't mind opening up about my fears to you, not at all. In fact, I kind of feel a little lighter, to be honest. I do talk about my phobia with my therapist, but it feels different. It's a different experience. And I did seek out groups and safe spaces where I could discuss it without fear or judgment, but I guess it's just been so long since I've done that. It feels like ages, actually. How do I feel about thunder and storms? I don't think there are other ways for me to describe it. I just like them, especially at night. I love listening to rain, wind, and thunder as I'm trying to fall asleep. It gives me some sort of comfort that I rarely get when I'm trying to sleep. I would ask how you feel about numbers, but something tells me you'll have a harder time finding the words to express your feelings about numbers. It's alright, I'm here. You're safe here. Nothing can reach you. Wait, let me just pull this blanket and then we can turn ourselves into a burrito. There. Warmer? Yeah, it's pretty cozy, isn't it? I think I could totally fall asleep like this. Yeah, absolutely. We can stay like this for the entire night. I don't mind at all.